Hello, and welcome to Life Path Stories. Take a deep breath, in and out. Relax your shoulders, relax your mind. Good morning, or maybe good afternoon, or good evening. How are you today? Maybe you are drinking a warm cup of coffee right now. Maybe you are sitting on the bus, looking out the window. Maybe you are walking in the park. Or maybe you are just relaxing at home and you are learning English with me. Wherever you are, I am so happy you are here. We are going to practice together. Learning English is a journey. It is a beautiful journey. Sometimes it is hard. Sometimes you feel tired. But today, there is no stress. There is no test. There is no exam. Today, we just listen, we relax, and we learn natural English. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. If you do not understand every word, that is okay. Do not worry. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Let the English wash over you like a gentle river. Part 1. Waking up in the morning. The sun is coming up. It is a new day. You open your eyes, you stretch your arms, you feel the warm bed. In the morning, we see our family, or we see our friends, or our roommates. What is the first thing we say? We say, "Good morning." Listen carefully. Good morning. Now, you try. Say it with me. Good morning. Very good. After we say good morning, we often ask a question. We ask about the night. We ask, "How did you sleep?" Listen again. How did you sleep? This is a very kind question. It shows you care. If someone asks you this, what can you say? You can say, "I slept well. Thank you." Listen. I slept well. Thank you. Or maybe you are tired. Maybe you did not sleep a lot. You can say, "I am a little tired today." Let's listen to a short conversation. Imagine two people in the kitchen. A husband and a wife.
Good morning.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept very well, thank you. And you?
I am a little tired today. I need coffee.
Did you understand that? It was simple. It was natural. Let's repeat the important phrases one more time, slowly. I will speak, and I will pause. You repeat after me. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept well, thank you. I am a little tired today. Great job. You are doing very well. Part 2. Ordering coffee. Now, it is time to leave the house. You are walking down the street. You smell something wonderful. It is coffee. You walk into a cafe. It is warm inside. You see the barista, the person who makes the coffee. How do we order a drink in English? Many students say, "I want a coffee." "I want" is okay, but it is not very polite. In English, we like to be very polite. Instead of I want, we say I would like or can I have. Listen carefully. I would like a coffee, please. Or can I have a coffee, please? These phrases are beautiful. They are soft. You can use them for everything. I would like a tea. I would like a sandwich. Can I have some water? When you order, the barista will ask you a question. They will ask, for here or to go? Listen to that again. For here or to go? For here means you want to sit in the cafe. To go means you want to take your coffee outside. Let's listen to a short conversation in the cafe.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a large coffee, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
To go, please.
That will be $3. Thank you.
It is easy, right? You can do this. Let's practice the phrases. Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please? I would like a tea, please. For here, please. To go, please. Excellent. I am very proud of you. Part 3. Going to work or school. You have your coffee. Now it is time to travel. You are going to work, or you are going to school. Maybe you take the bus. Maybe you take the train. The bus stop is busy. There are many people. You need to walk past someone. What do you say? You say, excuse me. Listen. Excuse me. Excuse me is a magic phrase in English. You get on the bus. You see an empty seat. You want to sit down. You say, excuse me, is this seat free? Listen again. Excuse me, is this seat free? If the seat is free, the person will say, yes, it is. Or, now go ahead. If the seat is not free, they will say, sorry, someone is sitting here. Let's listen to a short conversation on the bus.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Go ahead.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
When you leave the bus, it is nice to say goodbye to the driver. You can say, thank you. Have a good day. Listen, have a good day. Let's practice these travel phrases. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Is this seat free? Yes, go ahead. Have a good day. Very beautiful pronunciation. You sound very natural. Part 4. Asking simple questions. You are walking in the city. Maybe you are lost. Do not panic. Take a deep breath. You can ask for help. First, you must get their attention gently. Remember our magic phrase, yes. Excuse me. Then, you ask your question. If you want to find a place, you start with, where is the... Listen. Where is the train station? Sometimes you want to ask if they know the answer. You can say, do you know where the train station is? This is very polite. Let's listen to a short conversation on the street.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
Yes? Can I help you?
Do you know where the supermarket is?
Yes. Go straight down this street. It is on the left.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Let's practice asking for help. Speak slowly. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bathroom? Do you know where the station is? Thank you for your help. You are doing a fantastic job. You are very brave. Part 5. Talking with friends. It is lunchtime. You meet a friend. When you see a friend, you say hello. You can say hi or hey. Then you ask about their life. You can say, how are things? Or you can ask, how is your day going? Your friend will answer. They might say, things are good. Then you can ask about their plans. What are you doing today? If they have a plan, you can say, that sounds great, or that sounds fun. Let's listen to two friends talking.
Hey, how are things?
Hi, things are good, thanks. How is your day going?
My day is good. I am relaxing. What are you doing later today?
I am going to watch a movie tonight.
Oh, that sounds fun. Enjoy the movie.
Let's practice these friendly phrases. Smile while you speak. Repeat after me. Hey, how are things? How is your day going? What are you doing today? That sounds great. That sounds fun. Wonderful. You sound like a very good friend. Part 6. Shopping. You go shopping. You see something you like, but there is no price. You say, excuse me, how much is this? Listen carefully. How much is this? Maybe you want a different color. You can say, do you have this in blue? When you are ready to buy, you say, I will take this, please. Then the worker will ask, cash or card? Let's listen to a shopping conversation.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
That shirt is $25.
Do you have this in black?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Perfect. I will take it, please.
Great. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. How much is this? Do you have this in blue? I will take this, please. Cash or card? I will pay with card, please. Excellent work. Part 7. Saying goodbye and evening routine. The day is ending. It is time to say goodbye. You can say, see you later, or see you tomorrow. It is also very polite to say, have a good evening. Now you are home. Before you close your eyes, you say to your family, good night. Let's listen.
Well, I am going home now. I am tired.
Me too. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
Thanks. See you later. Good night.
Let's practice. Repeat after me in a soft, quiet voice. See you later. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Good night. Part 8. Slow phrase review. Let us review. I will say 10 phrases very slowly. Just listen and repeat out loud. Phrase number 1. Good morning. Phrase number 2. How did you sleep? Phrase number 3. Can I have a coffee, please? Phrase number 4. To go, please. Phrase number 5. Excuse me, is this seat free? Phrase number 6. Do you know where the bank is? Phrase number 7. How is your day going? Phrase number 8. How much is this? Phrase number 9. I will take it, please. Phrase number 10. See you tomorrow. Take a deep breath. You did it. Part 9. Motivation. Listen to me for a moment. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes you forget a word. That is normal. Learning a language is like growing a beautiful tree. Your English is growing right now. Every time you listen, your tree gets stronger. Do not worry if you speak slowly. Speaking slowly is beautiful. I believe in you. You are smart. And your English is getting better every single day. Part 10. A calm ending. Our podcast is coming to an end. I hope you feel relaxed and confident. Remember these phrases and try to use them tomorrow. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling. Wherever you are in the world, have a beautiful morning, a lovely afternoon, or a peaceful night. See you next time. Goodbye for now.